Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and today is Monday. Yes, it's Monday. Listen, if this is your first time here, I want to thank you for stopping by my channel, and I hope you would consider subscribing. Yes, and if you are returning, boom, I want to thank you for spending some time with me here this morning. Yeah, guys, I'm feeling great here. But listen, what you're looking at right here is my greenhouse. This is from my friend Peaches over there at Lovers for Life. You know, guys, I was one of her winners of her giveaway. Now, this greenhouse has been sitting here in my living room for a couple of weeks now. And, yeah, I just have not been able to get the boys to really put it together for me, but we'll see. But it's here. Yeah. All right, guys, I am out in my garden, and yay, look at that. The sun is up. It's about 63 degrees, but you know what? We're having a dip tomorrow. Yeah, and sometimes that's the way the weather is, especially around this time. I do know in February, when it's Mardi Gras time, and it's Mardi Gras time, there are some parts of Mardi Gras we will be wearing coats again. So I'm very careful about what I'm planting. So a lot of the plants and some of the things, that's why I had my little pots all in a row, because I'm going to put the ones that I think needs to be inside. I'm going to put them in the garage. But most of this stuff going to stay right out here. It's going to be all right. Yeah. But also, listen, I got this gift right there. Yes, from a very wonderful man. And I'm so sorry it took me so long to thank you for this. But his name is Richard Johnson. Yes. And Richard is from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And he sent me these seeds. Yes. And I'm going to plant these seeds this spring. Yes, I've never grown a purple tree collard before, so we're gonna plant it and see how it tastes and what's up with it. Yeah. But Mr. Richard, I thank you so much, and please, I apologize for taking so long, even though Richard and I have spoke via email, and so he know I received it. But I want to thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yes. So listen, guys. Another one of my beautiful supporters, sweet Sadie J. Yes, and she is a sweet Sadie. Yes. She wanted to plant some flowers on her balcony, but she wanted something that will not take over the balcony. Do I understand that? Yeah, you got these bully plants, that will take over for sure. So I do get it. So now I know, and all your supporters know that you like Dollar Tree, and I like Dollar Tree too. Now, come on. Look at this, Sadie. So these are their bulbs. Now, when I went over there the other day, the bulbs are not there yet. But these bulbs, this is a ranunculus freesia, and they have different colors and varieties of gladiolus. Yes. There's two more bulbs is missing, and that is a trigridia. And there's another one, a little pink flower, and I forgot her name. But when you see those bulbs like this, packs like this, you could purchase these packs. Yeah, excuse that. That was my granddaughter's school. You can hear everything they say on the intercom from here. But yeah, so these would be great to just plant on your balcony. Get a pot, one of those pots from in the back there at Dollar Tree. Get some soil, put it on in there. Okay, another thing is, here are some of the seeds that is great, and they will not take over your plant. You could plant many, you could plant them all together, or you could plant them individually. So, if you're going to plant them all together, just use a couple of seeds each pack. Just put it the way you want to arrange it in your pot. And that's a California poppy. And here's another a variety of a poppy, ornamental mixed poppy. And of course, the lovely, lovely Shasta Daisy that we go pay 25 cents a pack for. Alyssum, which is very nice. Put those around the edges, be really cool. Throw some lavender in there just for color and smell. Yeah. And also maybe one or two of these. Now don't go crazy with these because they're gonna, unless you put them by themselves, because they're gonna grow nice and tall. But Sadie, they are gorgeous. Okay, look, that's mine from last year. Isn't that awesome? That is that seed from Dollar Tree. That is that flower. Yes, you're gonna love it. But anyway, guys, I'm going to do a couple of videos about gardening on your balcony and using seeds and products from the Dollar Tree only. Okay? And we're going to do some vegetables as well as flowers. All right, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful Monday. Yes, it's Monday. And y'all know, let's see, it's about, my red beans are on. Yeah, they're on, and I just took the cornbread out of the oven. My rice is ready. Yes. And I have some barbecue chicken breast in the oven right now. So, to go with my red beans and rice for the day, y'all. You know. But you all have a beautiful Monday. All right, guys. Later, y'all.